Hello. Chalo, you guys here? Okay.
Yes.
Chalo. I'm audible, right? Me
Yeah.
display तुम्हारा होता ना? Okay, just give me a minute to set up the Instagram live and then we'll start. Okay. कालचं सेशन आवडलं तुम्हाला लोकांना?
हो.
ओके. करत चला थोडे स्केचेस वगैरे करत चला. छान वाटेल तुम्हाला. यू गाइज रिमेंबर आपण तो एक आय थिंक पाथफाइंडर बॅचचा 9th सेशन केला होता ज्याच्यामध्ये आय हॅड आस्क्ड यू टू डू द branding and marketing thing for a project for a product from your initials जे लोक pathfinder होतात त्यांना माहिती आहे. Okay. So today's session is based on that actually. Chalo, we will start. So my name is Ajinkya Harshe. Those who are new, I am the director of ARH Academy, and what we are doing now is a part of Rang Festival, which is an idea to give exposure of different kind of fields and streams and other things, which and where we try to give you different exposure. So today's thing is where yeah, okay. We try to give you how to start your own thing, because at the end of the day, because you're going to be कुठे ना कुठे somewhere down the line, what you're looking for is finish your education, start with your practice their mic. कुठेतरी त्यांना आपला स्वतःचा बिझनेस सुरू करायचा आहे, कुठेतरी समवेअर डाऊन द लाईन आपण तेच बघतोय. सो हाऊ डू वी गो फॉर दॅट, हाऊ डू वी स्टार्ट विथ दॅट पर्टिक्युलर थिंग वेअर you know how to start your business, how to build a community first, how to do marketing, how to do branding. These are all the things that we are going to discuss today. And for today's session we have Ritvik Mahindragi, who is a co-founder of MMAG, which is a creative and marketing agency, and he will be talking to you about today. So let me get Ritvik in here. Ritvik, are you here? एक second. Okay, Ritvik is here. All right. Go live with Ritvik. Just a second. He's joining. Okay, all right. Ritvik, can you come in? Can you come in?
Hi, I'm just joining. Give me a minute.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
How many? In the meantime, I have a question for you. How many of you have an art Instagram page? कोणाचा आर्ट पेज आहे इंस्टाग्रामवर, जिकडे ते म्हणजे अदर दॅन युअर सेल्फीज अँड टिकटॉक व्हिडिओज, वेअर अदरवाइज you have an art page? How many of you have the art page? Can you whatever conversation we are going to have on chat, please. Okay, I have Sanskruti. Yes, I know. So okay, I'll give the mic to Ritvik from here on. And okay, Ritvik, you need to start your video.
Yes, just give me a second.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. So Ritvik will तुझं Instagram live वर अडकलंय रे.
Instagram live hang झालं ना?
हाँ, but ठीक आहे, आपण इकडे सुरू करूया. चलो. So Ritvik, you are on the set. You are on the spotlight.
Okay. Hi guys. Can everybody hear me?
Yes.
Yes, all cool. Okay. So wow, so many artists in here.
करतो का?
Let me just see the screen once so I know how many people are here.
Right.
There are quite a few artists over here.
Instagram एकदा फक्त.
Yeah, I'm requesting again on Instagram.
Yes, sure.
Okay, I think I don't know what's the issue.
ठीक आहे, लेट अस सी. तुझा वायफायचा इश्यू होता थोडा.
Maybe it's Wi-Fi issue, network issue.
ठीक आहे, what I
Okay.
do, I'll point the screen towards it so लोकांना हे होईल.
Yes. So, hi guys. So before we start off all the everything where I tell you how the field works and everything, let me just introduce myself. I'm Ritvik Maindagi, currently a co-founder of IMAG. It's a creative marketing agency. But before that, I started my career like every other person in my era that was doing something else and actually studying something else and actually doing something else at the end of the day. So uh, so before we start off with everything, let's just make it a discussion. Okay, if you want to connect and if you want to actually ask something, do ask in between. I don't mind being interrupted or being asked questions right now. Okay, so here is a here's the thing. I started off long back, almost 8-9 years ago, and the first time I started getting into marketing side was when I actually found out. I tried to help out a friend. He had a restaurant and everything, and I thought maybe social media will help him. That time, 2009-10, it was very new. Not too many businesses were there actually. So. Uh, so I finally thought that okay, maybe we should just open a Facebook page for him. Let's see how it helps him. And when I actually did that, there was a good response for him. A lot of people came and said that okay, there are people watching it, there are people coming up and uh, connecting with him. And digital marketing, social media was all new back then. And that's how when I discovered that okay, I have more interest in social media marketing, digital marketing actually, or advertising more than anything else. So to start, before starting anything, let me just tell you something. What is marketing? Okay, most of the people, what they get wrong is marketing. Okay, and marketing basically is nothing than positioning uh, your products and services better than your competitors. Okay, there are hardly any businesses left where you can actually innovate. There might be few, but being first in some part is very difficult today. So there are so many. You become an architect, you get into fashion industry, you get into any industries that you would like to, but there is a lot of competition. So you first thing you need as a the first thing you need as a business person or as an individual or as a job is to face competition. You need to market yourself. Okay, if you start working you start doing a job, then you still need to market yourself. Okay, so that is what you have to consider all the time, that marketing is the first thing you're always going to need. People give it the least importance most of the times. Today it is different. People are more aware about it. लोगों को पता है कि अभी जरूरत पड़ेगी हम लोग अगर आते तो हमें मार्केटिंग करना है. Thanks to digital marketing, people are more aware about marketing itself than they used to be. So first thing that you need to before doing marketing, you need to understand what is marketing. A lot of people confuse advertising with marketing. Advertising is a subset of marketing, and it is not marketing. It is not everything. Okay, so uh, marketing is positioning, creating a position of your brand better than your competitors, better than others, better than people you're targeting. So that is something you need to focus on. Okay, then coming to, there are two key points when you talk about marketing. Okay, the two key points are good exposure and good observation. Okay, for as an individual. So as I told you, wherever you go, there is a huge competition, and you have to face a lot of competition anywhere. So first thing that you need to do and focus on is give yourself a good exposure, and also give yourself good observer, like be a good observer. So everywhere you go, okay, you go at weddings, you go at any other place, you go to a shop to buy something. Okay, try and observe people. Okay, how they buy, what is the questions they ask when they buy. So let's say you get into some kind of Vijay Sales or Croma that is in Pune right now and pretty famous, right? So you go there, see how people go to the shopkeeper and what they ask, what they want to know about, right? And when you see that, that's the questions they have about what they want to buy or the product or come in, that particular product. how they approach, how they think towards a product. So this good observation is going to help you throughout in marketing. Not only it doesn't have to be field related only. जो आपके सारे फील्ड्स, आप किसी भी फील्ड में रहेंगे, most of you are going to be architects tomorrow, you know, most of you are going to get into some product designing, some of you might get into fashion designing. So make sure you actually make sure you actually observe these people in this industry and other people, because these are your end target audience. You know, these are people who are actually going to somewhere going to buy your products. So how they think, what they want to know, what they want to know, how they come approach a product or a problem is something you need to figure out. Second is try and give yourself a good exposure. Okay, because a lot of you are, I mean, you know, everybody comes from a different background, different thing, and everybody is a different exposure, and that exposure is going to help you. So be be dependent, be self-dependent for that, be independent for that. Go and give yourself more exposure. Go out, talk to people. Okay, that is the one key rule of marketing which is generally ignored. Okay, how so? Particularly for architects and fashion designers, you are going to be known by your designs and your products. So your name is a very much, if your name becomes a brand, okay, then you are going to, your product will get the value. Otherwise तुमको value नहीं create कर पाएंगे. Like Manish Malhotra, the biggest name in the fashion industry today. Okay, his designs, his name, his name is the key. Just by putting that name, he adds up a huge bulk amount to that product, because the you know, huge amount, that pricing goes high up, because with that name, the efforts that he has taken to build that name, Manish Malhotra, is what counts. So give yourself, you know, give yourself exposure. Go and talk to people. The more you connect, the more people will know you. That will help you more than anything else right now. Okay, and good thing about all of you people is you have your time on your hands. Okay, if you have figured out that you want to be architect, you want to be into designing or any field that you want to be in, the good thing that you have is an time with you. Okay, that time is going to help you build your profile in a longer duration. You know, you have time to build your profile, time to build your connections, and actually gain benefit out of it. Okay, so there are, you know, you must have heard, I don't know if you're from marketing, you're not from marketing background, most of you, but there are like 7 P's of marketing. Some of them say 5 P's, some of them say 8 P's, like product, placement, pricing, you know, people. So there are physical evidence. Okay, so there are similarly, I have an option that I talk about is 3 C's for an artist. Every person with art or any artist, everything, or an individual who is trying to sell out, has 3 C's: connect, create, and collaborate. Okay, those are your steps to success: connect, create, and collaborate. Okay, first connect with people. Okay, second is create value, create your art, create value through your art, and collaborate with others. Okay, try and connect with people and tell them that, okay, you know, I can design something for you. Instead of focusing on charging them for that, try to make sure that your art and your name with it reaches to more people. Okay, this is going to help you all in the longer term, than rather than charging them for that. Okay, for example, I think some of you have an art page or something. I think Sanskruti, you have an art page, right? If you can give me the ID handle. If you don't mind, you can provide the handle. Basically, I'm going to tell you is how to create your, you know, how to get more value out of your accounts or more value out of your art pages. Okay, so SEJ. Okay. Okay, I'm started following you now. Yeah. So I see you have created, you know, quite some content. You have like 92 followers today. You're following too, and the designs you have are also pretty good. If everybody can see this. Okay, guys, if any of you is not following her, go and follow her. She has some good content over it. So basically, try to this kind of content, okay, which is very good. Now, do you get any brands or anybody trying to connect with you, or have you tried to connect with brands to create content for them? Not yet. Okay. And are you trying to sell your stuff? Are you trying to sell your designs? Yes. Okay. That is something you are right now, you do not need to focus on. Okay. Yes, you might earn some amount of it. Your work is good. You might some get a decent amount for it, but then you'll be stuck there. Okay. You are an art creator or you're an art seller. There are two different things. So you need to focus and finalize on that. If you want to focus on creating more art, right now focus on creating more art. Okay. You need to focus on creating art and then focus on selling your art later. Once you start creating a name for yourself, you don't need to sell your art. They will actually come and buy the art. People will actually line up to buy your art. They'll not focus. You will not have to try and start selling your art right now. Okay, तुम्हारा audience automatically आ जाएगा. Okay, for anybody else also who has art pages or anything, or if currently you have a personal account and you do not know what to do about it, okay, create your Instagram account, create your business pages out of it. Okay, it's no big deal nowadays. I can help you out with that. Anybody can help you out with that simple YouTube video, or you can connect to me if you want to any help with that. And create your art page. Okay, start uploading. Okay, your Vaishnavi has a photography page. Great. So Vaishnavi, you can also actually go and create your photography page, create a business page out of it. Okay, send me your email, send me your account, and I'll follow you. Okay, I'll share your art as well to my followers. I don't have many huge junk, but whatever I have, I'll share it to them. Some you might get some followers out of those. But share your handle over here in chat. Everybody who has any art pages or anything related to art, do share it in the chat box. I will follow you all. Okay, so everybody has to create the business pages and then share it with the share your art over there. Now people who are sharing this art, people will like the art pages. Everybody will automatically start connecting with you. Okay, you also have to connect with more people. For example, Sanskriti, you do not have to focus on other you do not have to focus on everybody who is there. Like you focus on people you want to follow. Focus on the let's say art con kharidta hai. Who do you think will buy an art? People who have offices, big offices, who are fascinated by art stuff. Okay, big time artists who can help you connect. So connect in a community. Create a community of artists. If there is already, try to connect in that. And if there is no community, create one community. Connect with more artists. Okay, connect with people who have art pages, who are trying to push their art out in the market. Share their artwork on your stories. Okay, and if whatever you like, be genuine, be connect. Okay, be real to them. Okay, and I do not mean connect as in only on social media or Instagram. Okay, go to them. If you connect with them, you like their work. Okay, try to collaborate and create an art piece together. Let's say you have 1,000 followers, for example, they have another 1,000 followers. Now if you co-create, you are about to reach with more to 2,000 people, right? So you can increase your reach as well as their reach. You can help each other out. Don't try to take them as your competition right now. Take them as helping, take them as your community. Okay, the more you connect with people, like-minded people, that will help you. Their contacts will help your contacts will help each other. So this is something going to be useful for you. Okay, so very honestly, try and collaborate in outside Instagram, outside social media. Go and connect with more people. Like for example, go to events that happen, go to conferences that happen. Okay, first few conferences you might be sitting in a corner and listen to people. Second conference, third conference, go and talk to people. Okay, talk to them. Okay, ask them, okay, what they can offer you, what you can offer them. Okay, what they have to say, what is their experience. Okay, जो art exhibitions होते हैं, okay, go and join them. I think you all already know that ARH Ajinkya holds a lot of exhibitions for artists. Okay, so you can connect with him. Go try ask him if you can present your work there. Okay, he allows a lot of young talent. Okay, so ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं जो they allow a lot of, so go and connect with these people जो already art exhibitions में present करते हैं. पुणे में ऐसे भी exhibitions होते हैं जो फ्री of cost. try and find out, spend time over there. So तुम अपने जो भी तुम्हारा community या field है उसमें जितने लोगों से ज़्यादा connect हो पाओगे, that is going to build a good community for you, and digitally also तुम्हारा presence उस हिसाब से बढ़ेगा. If you try to limit yourself, okay, I understand that everybody is different and some of you might be shy, little shy to go up and talk about your work and not. But if you don't talk about your work, or if you don't talk about your art, then who else will? Okay, I'm sure everybody is proud of their artwork. अगर कोई आके बोल दे अरे ये गलत किया है तो थोड़ा hurt होता है. You might take it sportingly, but still थोड़ा hurt होता है, right? So because you're proud, you're so connected with that, right? So use that. Don't shy away from talking to people or connecting to people or what they will think. जो भी artists है, जो भी अलग अलग level है, जो भी people, जो लोग हैं जो share करते हैं artwork, उनसे connect करो. Ask them if they can share. You can do an art piece for them, maybe free of cost today. But ask them if you can do an art piece from them and give it to them, and they can share it on their profile. Be genuine, be real. Okay, most challenging thing, particularly with social media around so easily available, okay, you're gonna find is be real and grow. Okay, today you might feel that okay, somebody will judge you, or being real, will it lead you anywhere? But being real on social media will help you. Okay, and that is the real marketing and best marketing to do today. In terms of marketing and design, I'm not going to teach a lot about design to you because you're already, you all are artists over here, some or the other way. So I don't need to talk about design and artwork with you, but marketing. So being real is the main pointer of all this. जितना आप real रहोगे, जितना आप genuinely लोगों से connect करोगे, share करोगे, उतना तुम लोगों को benefit होगा. Okay, so now, for example, Sanskruti and Devashish, and Vaishnav, you three are using your art page for growth. Okay, create content that connects with audience. Okay, here is key for you and everyone else over here. Create content for people who connect with that content. Create with a message. Create with an objective in it. Okay, do not create art. But doodling is an art. Okay, generally doodles में भी आजकल messages and objectives होते हैं. Lot of people miss out that on doodles, but doodles can be without messages as well. But when you create a design or art, create it with a message that people will like, people will connect. आज जो भी आप brands खरीद रहे हो, जो भी आप brands the brands you look up to or you wish to are the brands that are trying to connect with you. You think you buy a product or a particular brand product because you think that you like it. It's not that. You are target audience. They are trying to connect to you different mediums. Hoardings outside, advertisement, paper, newspapers, आपके apps, सारे apps में जो आप ads देखते हो, all of this. For a simple example, before lockdown, how many of you were actually playing Ludo? Very few. जो online Ludo game है, nowadays during lockdown, every one of you is playing Ludo, right? Now this Ludo के लिए सारे brands ने Ludo के लिए creatives तैयार किए, designs तैयार किए, and they are talking about trying to share about it. Ludo का, because now people are connecting with that Ludo game more, and it's creating nostalgia for the audience who is from 90s like me, because we played that board game as a kid. Some of you might not have, but as kids we played that game. Okay, so we connect with that. So connect करने वाला कंटेंट आपको क्रिएट करना है. आपके जितना भी आपका आर्ट वर्क है, जो भी है, फोटोग्राफी भी है, ओके, वो भी कनेक्ट करे लोग जिससे, उससे करना है. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, I don't know, Devashish, Harshay, you are into photography, and which photography are you focusing on? Is it product photography? Is it model photography? See, if you are whatever photography you are trying right now, okay, or whatever photography you are focusing on to right now, okay, fine art mostly, okay, great. So उसी टाइप के फोटोज, उसी टाइप के जो आर्टिस्ट है, उस टाइप के जो बायर्स है, उनसे कनेक्ट करो. ऑफिसेस है, जो फील्ड्स के रिस्पेक्टिव टॉप मोस्ट लोग हैं. ओके, आई डोंट नो हु इज इनटू फाइन आर्ट फोटोग्राफी करंटली राइट नाउ, बट कॉन्सेप्चुअल फोटोग्राफी, उन लोगों से कनेक्ट करो. Okay, try to connect with them. Try if you can do something for them. Okay, so this is how you are and your name will come up eventually. Okay, because of social media, if you're and try to create content that connects with them. I know, I understand that art जो है वो तुमसे भी connect होना चाहिए, but the sales point या इससे अगर देखोगे तो art उनको भी पसंद आना चाहिए जो खरीदना चाहता है. Okay, your client, what your clients are, ये requirement है. So your art should be a mix of emotion. Tomorrow, whenever you sell your art, it will be purchased by only those who connect with it, and you also connect with that audience. तो ही तुम्हारा art बिकेगा, नहीं तो बिकेगा नहीं. Okay, for example, let me give you an example. Memes. Everybody, you share a lot of memes. Anybody is there who doesn't share a meme at all? Nobody, right? All of you, कोई ना कोई meme connect करता है. Now, most of you today are sharing more memes on your stories create or your profile created by others. Maybe profile, maybe your stories, maybe your WhatsApp groups, anything. You are sharing those memes, uh, more memes created by somebody else than actual your art piece, because you connect with that memes. You connect with your art, but you connect with those memes at such level that you actually share your artwork as well. Are you understanding? Okay, is it clear? So this is the object, this is the idea behind creating connection content, because जैसे आप connect होते हो किसी meme के साथ, then you remember that meme. Okay, if somebody tries to share that meme with you again, okay, or share that meme with you again, you'll be like, अरे हाँ देखा है मैंने, because तुमने ये already देखा, you have connected, you remember it. मीम कोई भूलता है आज तक? ऐसे हुआ क्या भूल गया आपने मीम देखा था, भूल गए क्या क्या हुआ था आगे एंड में? You remember those memes, right? Because you connect with those. So when you connect, when your audience connects with your content or your photography or your art, whatever your content is, okay, whatever your design is, when they connect with you, okay, so तुम्हारा उस level पे जब connect होते हैं तो they'll remember you as a brand. Okay, now all these designs, all the brands that do designs, okay, product designs are little different. Okay, product designs, you guys need to really do a market research first. Marketing का सबसे बड़ा point है market research. Okay, कि audience क्या है और उसका requirement क्या है. Go out and find out क्या audience है market में. Okay, उनका क्या requirements है, क्या problems है. For example, अभी rains आ रहे, like which monsoon, like बारिश होने वाला है बहुत ज़्यादा, and we know what are the problems that we face. If you have any idea about the product that we can help, or people who take walks during with the umbrellas, okay, can you design a new umbrella product? Maybe with that will actually help them. वो हाथ दुखेगा नहीं, ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हो umbrellas पकड़ के. So maybe you can come up with new content, new ideas, new products. So जो भी आपके products है उसका research करो, ठीक है, and try to create content on those and share those. People will like it if you give them solutions. Product designs में जो जाने वाले हैं, who are looking for future in product designs, create different products लो, different scenarios लो, and उसके लिए products design करो. Don't try to create products, create scenarios for audience and उसमें product design करो. Okay, और इस सब में marketing के लिए एक चीज, सब, if you are listening to me throughout, there is one thing that I'm telling you again and again: audience. Okay, one of the most and biggest aspect of everything is audience. कौन है, क्यों है, कहाँ पे है, where do they stay, where do they live, who are they, what are their behavior patterns. Okay, for example, let me give you, if you are from Pune, Mumbai, or any of the metro cities, you are very much accustomed to using your two-wheeler, four-wheeler. Okay, particularly Punekars, it's very easy to pick up a two-wheeler and go out, pick up a four-wheeler and go out. But if anybody is Mumbaikar over here or Mumbaikars right now, if you're creating something for them, if your audience is from Mumbai, they are more used to Ola, Uber, and trains than actually having two-wheelers. Okay, you'll be surprised that lot of Mumbaikars of our age and any other age haven't driven two-wheelers and four-wheelers in entire their life. Particularly people who are 40 to 50. Okay, they haven't driven a car or two-wheeler ever in their life, because they're so used to trains and taxis that comfort is another level for them. They do not want to go for the hassle of traveling through traffic and everything. So know your audience. Knowing your audience doesn't mean just knowing their age groups. मतलब यार ऑब्वियस यार, तुम एज ग्रुप्स वगैरह थोड़ा ऑब्जर्वेशन इससे तुम निकाल पाओगे. इफ यू ट्राई टू ऑब्जर्व मोर एंड यूज कॉमन सेंस, यू गोना फाइंड आउट ओके योर ऑडियंस. Pick up any of the, pick up any brand today and try to sell it. So तुम्हें समझ आएगा कि ये जो ऑडियंस है, कि इसका ऑडियंस क्या हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल गूगल पिक्सल हो या आईफोन्स हो, हु आर दे ट्राई टू सेल देम, किसको बेचना चाहते हैं. ओके, you will find out. Take a product, any product, iPhones रहेंगे, कोई भी रहे, even your toothbrushes. Okay, look at the ads, try to find out who they are trying to sell this, right? वो लोग सेल किसको करना चाहते हैं. They are trying to sell this to any particular जो ऑडियंस है, एज ग्रुप क्या रहेगा. Like if you see this toothpaste के ads, they're all for the moms, they're not for the kids. उसमें बच्चा दिखाते हैं उसको दांतों में मसूड़े, थोड़ा यंग जनरेशन दिखाते हैं, तो दे आर शोइंग दैट टीथ वाइटनिंग. कपल इज गोइंग ऑन अ डेट एंड they do not have a clean white shiny teeth. That's how they show the ads. Or otherwise they will show a mom who is worried about their kids, she's with a dentist and she's taking away what is the best toothpaste that I use. This is how they use, because that's their audience. Moms are going to now, at this age right now, how many of you actually are worried about what toothpaste you use? Most of you think that मेरे को पतंजलि नहीं use करना. I feel that I think I want Colgate or Close Up, because you connect with those brands more. But there might be some of you who connect with Patanjali. Some of your parents might connect with Patanjali, right? This is a live example in today's scenario that younger generation buys less of Patanjali. जो अपने parents है, they are more into buying Patanjali and everything as of today. Okay, so you need to find out जो even आपके घर में audience है, try to connect with all of them, what they buy, why they buy, ask them questions. Why are you buying a particular product and why not? Okay, and design plays a good role in that. What was the last time somebody told you to get your somebody told you to get a noodles or Maggie and you actually went and searched for the Maggie product? No, जो yellow color देखते आपको समझ आता है कि ये Maggie का है. That color, that design element is so fit in your head, that brand is so fixed in your head that you actually connect with it more than you connect with so much that you don't need somebody to remind you of it. Similarly for your brand names also, तुम्हारा जो brand name है, अगर जिसमें भी तुम्हें उसमें connect करने के लिए किसी को भी connect करना है अगर brand में, तो you do not have to you don't have to, like, what was the last time somebody of you brought a Nutrilite butter? You always bought a Amul butter, or nobody asked you to get a Nutrilite butter or get a butter, right? तुमको जिसने भी बोला आज तक बोला है अमूल बटर लेके आओ, right? या मैगी लेके आओ. नूडल्स तो हम लोग घर में यूज करना बंद ही किया है, right? Maggi is a noodles which you forget. We just ask Maggi because जो ब्रांड का नाम है, जो डिजाइन है, वो इतना फिट हो गया है लोगों के सामने that recall, they created content that is creating recall for everybody, that they connected, and people now have so used to those brands that replacing those brands is very difficult today. Okay, if you guys have any doubts right now, do ask me on your chats, or if you want to unmute and ask, that is also fine with me. Do ask me on chat if you have any doubts with this current whatever I'm talking. Yes, right, Devashish, Bisleri is also there. हम लोग बिस्लरी लेने जाते हैं. Okay, we do not go Kinley or Bailey. No, we go and buy Bisleri. Okay, then okay, another very much important part in this everything is particularly pertaining to digital marketing is तुम्हारा नीचे का content caption. First thing, okay, first thing you always end up on a design, and once you end up on a design, so तुम देखते हो अगर and you like it, so the second thing you are going to do is read what's the written below, what are the captions below. Okay, hashtags वगैरह बहुत आगे आते हैं, we'll discuss that some other time. It's a huge whole world in there, but जो content लिखते हैं, okay, that has to go with your designs. Okay, it doesn't mean that जो तुम्हारे content में लिखा है वो repeat करो. Okay, I want to show you an example over here. Okay, let me just open it and I'll share my screen with you guys. Okay, guys, you can see this.
Yeah, yes.
Yes. So this is the Mumbai Police page. A long ago, I really worked on this launch, and I really am connected with this brand very much. So anyway, okay. Now things to observe over here. How ये सब तो तुमको पता है about लिखना वगैरह. Now since they are a brand, they are not a brand as such, and they are technically helping out people, and their job is to help out. So they have official account of Mumbai Police. Dial 100 for emergencies. Tweet at Mumbai Police for support and guidance. Not monitored 24/7. See, not monitored 24/7 because people are going to send them queries and problems over here. They have told them to guide them to go to your Twitter, and actually you can tweet them if you have any problem, or if this account is not monitored continuously. Is something they are already clearly mentioning. Their objective is very clear in this. Okay, so similarly तुम्हारे brand का objective clear होना चाहिए हमेशा. Okay, तुम्हारे जो भी यहाँ पे अगर आप देख रहे हो memes है जो भी है, it's gonna ask me to connect. I'm sorry, you guys have
So
to.
I can take it from. I can share my screen if you want. For
Yeah,
this.
works.
Yeah. Okay.
Please.
Yes.
I'll stop sharing.
Yes. Please. I just need to go to. That account is open, na? Do I need to follow?
No, that account is open.
Mumbai Police. Yeah. Okay, got it. Just tell me where you want to scroll and all.
Yes. Any open, you can open any post. Open the second post, the 6 feet one. Second post, yeah.
Yeah.
That one. Okay. Now we all remember when you see this create tab, or when you see this actor. Okay, you first. Okay, the first thing you notice, or the first thing that reminds you of House the Josh, that movie created that House the Josh. Lot of brands came up, lot of t-shirts came up. Okay, that became a tagline sort of for brands, and a lot of people used it. So you see the House the distance over written over here. Okay, you see how's the distance written with this, and they have put a mask. So they are trying to now the objective of Mumbai Police is to help people and spread good information that is useful to people. So now everything is opening, lockdown is opening, so they want people to follow the rules, and they want to tell them that it's 6 feet. There is lot of confusion in the market. जो बोल रहे 4 feet है, 6 feet है. एक news article आया था जिसमें बोला 20 feet है. I don't know how this is physically possible, but feasible actually. But anyway, so they could have just simply said, right, okay, please follow the 6 feet. 6 feet, maintain 6 feet distance. But now when they say that, okay, this is very much not interesting, right? जाके कोई बोल रहा है okay 6 feet distance रखो. Why would you listen to that? Will you really engage with that? But when you see this actor, when you see something written, you actually want to go click over here, and actually you're going to see how's the distance. You're going to read, and you're going to connect with more. Read the comment below. Everybody sharing, listening, seeing the screen. Read. Day by day, every post, it just makes me eager. I definitely want to see the person behind these handles. Okay. You guys are killing it with memes. 2 to 4 feet, I can't manage the same in the public places and offices too. Say people who have problems are sharing it over here. Okay. So, how's the Josh? Hi sir, far sir. See, people are also engaging. This is very good. Can we go to some another post?
Yes. Tell me which one.
Yeah, I just scroll down. Okay, now this post, that video, second one. Okay, second one, the video. Okay, so at this time they are showing, yeah, this one.
Yeah.
They are showing how the Mumbai police helped out a guy who fell into water. I don't know, they saved his life. Okay, now content over here is different. At the end of the rope, they always show hope. Okay, now they actually give credit to the people who actually rushed to the spot and saved them. Okay, Mane and Shivang. So people know about that, how police is helping, and what this is a good job they have done. But notice the starting. At the end of the rope awaits the hope. Okay, so they're showing that at the end of the hope, other hope, there was Mumbai police. That is the hope of the city. We shall always be there for you. We'll move on to next slide. Or we can go to Amul's page.
Yeah.
Yeah. Amul India is the handle.
This one?
Yeah. Yes.
इसको blue tick नहीं है. What's wrong with these people?
No,
ये
they recently had an issue and they lost the blue
yeah,
tick.
the China thing. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Continue.
Yeah. So scroll down. Now recently they did a campaign because okay, just notice guys, everybody notice this. Okay, this post you're seeing lot of chefs. Okay, who are coming up and sharing recipes with Amul products. Okay. Now why did they come up with this? Because जो lockdown में लोग cook कर रहे थे, you must have seen on your Instagram. Everybody has become a chef, right? You all must have noticed. हर कोई अब जा रहा है. They are making dalgona and what not today. Okay, I never had personally heard of dalgona before, but now everybody has, and everybody is doing a lot of creative stuff. So if you notice this, this is what they took the opportunity on and created content that connects with people. Now, since they're creating, everybody's creating a lot of recipes and a lot of new stuff and cooking, busy cooking stuff. They are also people want to share more recipes and want to find out more recipes. So Amul India connected with chefs around India. Okay, all the chefs who are placed into 5-star hotels and 3-star hotels, उनको connect करके अमूल इंडिया ने उनके live sessions लेके उनके share simple homemade recipes share किए. Now when you see this creative, there are only 3 things that you notice first. One is that person's photo, second is logo of Amul, third is तुम्हारा Facebook का icon आ जाता है. That is something you notice. And the fourth is your simple homemade recipes. And when you're so much interested, you are going to read the content that it's live. Okay, you are going to actually notice this. Then if you feel that you want to create a ice cream or create what a frozen mango crumble, then you're actually going to wait and see, connect with this and wait and go on their live. Then you're going to follow them. Okay, let's change it. Let's scroll down. Okay, I don't just go down a lot. खूप खाली जायचं आपल्याला.
बापरे, खूप कंटेंट टाकला रे यांनी.
हो, त्यांनी खूप कंटेंट टाकला. So recently they used this opportunity. आपल्याला खूप खाली जावं लागेल. मागच्या 3 महिन्यामध्ये they have only shared recipes.
Okay, wait just a second.
Okay,
this
but
one,
I want to go down to particularly a section.
This hey आवडलं मला.
Yeah, like
nice. Okay.
Okay, now if you go down, okay, there is थोडं खूप खाली जावं लागेल actually.
हाँ ठीक है जाते.
Amul Indiaच्या पेजला everybody who is listening, go down. There is huge content. You can check the content they are doing for last 2 years. Okay, and it's brilliant content. This will help you to understand how to create content for your own art pages. Okay, why this is all important? Okay, you might be feeling okay, I might get few followers. Okay, is this really going to help me and all? Before lockdown, okay, 2018 चा scenario है, ratio है हा. 2018 December में 2019 Jan मध्ये हा report release झालेला. That people were share. Yeah, here. You just wait over here. Yeah. So 2019 Jan ला जो report झालेला Dentsu Aegis network चा, DAN network, one of the biggest marketing network in the world right now. Okay, त्यांच्या reportच्या according to, people spend 3 hours 52 minutes daily on social media in India. And trust me, there is still like 30-40% of our population who does not have access to high speed internet on regular basis. So जो बच्चे कुचे हैं, इसमें से लोग जो है उसका average है 3 hours 52 minutes are spent on social media. And particularly during lockdown, okay, it is उसका जो speed है वो highly boost हुआ है. People have been using internet widely. People are continuously active on internet. Okay, so this is basically you want to advertise or you want to showcase or market your services and products or yourself as where people are available. Like lockdown चल रहा है, बाहर audience ही नहीं है, तो तुम अपना holding लगा के करोगे क्या तुम्हारे products and services का? Because nobody is going to see it. That's why being active on social media is very much important. At the same time, once lockdown and everything opens, going out and connecting with people, जो हमने starting में discuss किया, personally meeting them will help you too. Okay, थोड़ा खाली जा.
Yeah.
याच्यामध्ये. So these ads, if you see these all ads, okay, these ads are since 90. Yeah, please play the second ad, the बाजूची left side ची, colored one. Yeah, this one. ad is from 90s, early 90s or 80s.
पानी में दूध में पानी बहुत मिला होता है. मैं तो आजकल सिर्फ अमूल दूध खरीदती हूँ. ये अमूल दूध अंतरराष्ट्रीय तकनीक का कमाल है. एकदम ताजा दूध, ना प्रिजर्वेटिव, ना मिलावट. और
Just pause करना है.
सुना? भैंस न खरीदनी.
Click on the ad again.
तो अमूल दूध जरूर खरीदिए.
Click on the creative. नहीं ते open कर पण ते video pause ठेव.
Okay.
I want to show them the content. Yeah, perfect. So, on popular demand, we are pleased to share the classic Amul advertisements in epic, in the epic shows of Ramayana and Mahabharata. You see, when the lockdown started, okay, DD National and Bharat channels and the Mahabharata and everything, they started again. The shows that were played in 90s because people are bored and new जो content है वो create नहीं कर पा रहे थे TV वाले. So they started playing old TV serials and old TV shows, right? So अमूल ने क्या किया? अमूल ने उनके उस टाइम पे जो चल रहे थे जो एड्स थे, ओके, ना वो कनेक्ट किए, वो वो अगेन they pulled out those those videos and they upload it on their Instagram and people went mad about it. You see these hearts comments mein, okay. So the people are commenting so cute and everything, people are loving it. Okay, why they are doing this is because everybody in 90s have seen those old TV shows and everything back then, Mahabharata, Ramayana, right? So people connected with that. उनको वो connect होने के कारण, okay, because they got connected with that, उन्होंने they actually showed it to their kids, people who have kids right now. 80s के जो लोग थे उन्होंने अपने बच्चों को भी दिखाया रामायण महाभारत, उसके साथ they that connected कि okay, अरे these were the great shows and great TV ads back then. One of the finest TV ads were back in 90s, guys, and not in 2000 after 2005. Okay, I think Ajinkya will agree with this.
Yes, that is so true.
Okay,
so true.
Yeah, so we can get off this post right now. We can we can stop sharing screen. Okay, so last 5 minutes I'm going to take. Okay, just last one thing I want to tell you guys. Okay, this all tips that I've told you are going to help you out. Okay, and if you want any more help, I'm there, and Ajinkya is there. You guys can connect with any of us and you can always get help. Okay, but one thing, on an average, by the age of 25, okay, or 20, 24, 3, 25, in using this, on an average, every person has 5,000 connects. Okay, you might not notice them, you might not have that connect right now, or you might not be able to count them right now. Some of you are 16, 17, 18 right now, right? So you might not have those so many connects right now, but on an average, it's 5,000. You can choose to have, you have 10 over good 8-10 over years in your hand. You can choose to have 10,000. That's the age when you actually put out your businesses, complete your graduation, post-graduation, you're architects and you're getting into the real field. Okay, this is going to help you grab your first client. Now, first client is really difficult because you don't know where to start. You don't know where to focus. आपको knowledge है आपके field का and everything. Okay, but people do not know you. People, आपको नाम create करने के लिए भी, you need to find out and reach out to people. So this is why you need to start now. Then it is easier at that age. Okay, the sooner the better. Okay, so how are you going to connect with these 5,000 people? Okay, go as many people as you can meet. Go and meet them. So let's say 5,000 में से you have got like 100 relatives, 100 friends. Okay, 100 groups and activities that you have done. Okay, जिनको तुम आप personally मिल सकते हो, मिलो. Create a genuine contact and उनसे बात करो. उनसे आप what are you trying to do? What are you planning to do? They might have some suggestions to give. Take those suggestions. Okay, genuinely reach out to them and tell them, okay, I know there might, if somebody knows you or somebody wants this kind of service, try and ask them, try and suggest my name once. Okay, benefit of this, you might have 5,000, you might have 10,000 connects or whatever. Okay, benefit of this is you have automatically reached to 5 to 10,000 people. On the first few months of your business, you have reached to 5 to 10,000 people. Okay, now that should get you that all of these people, when they somewhere or the other, they are each of them going to have another 5,000, 10,000 connects. So even if let's say they come in contact with 1,000 people in a month, okay, some or the other person is going to suggest your name somewhere. Even if your name gets occurred 100 times, there is one person might be actually requiring your service. or will actually connect with you for your service. And that's your chance. And that's your first opportunity. Okay, it's no rocket science. Okay, tomorrow, जो भी आप जिनको आप personally connect नहीं कर सकते हो, people around different cities and all, try and connect with them. Don't think यार ये भोपाल में बैठा है, ये दिल्ली में बैठा है, why do I connect with him? कैसे होगा? Drop out. You might not have. I understand that, you know, some of the people you might not have spoken to them in years. Go there and talk to them. Be genuine and ask. Okay, you know, I'm doing this thing. If there is anybody you know, do pitch in. Even if 10% of these people pitch for you, that's 500. 5,000 से 10%. 500 people pitch you in. उसमें से अगर, you know, if you 5 लोगों ने भी pitch किया, उस 5 में से अगर inquire करके उन्होंने discuss करके somebody gives you a chance, you at least have one chance to create. 5 लोगों से pitch किया तो you have at least, you know, I mean 500 में से 5 लोगों ने भी inquire किया तो you have 5 chances. You have 5 opportunities to prove yourself and, you know, I mean, to connect and sell yourself that time. And in these 5 items, I think you should be successful at least in one, and that is your first project. And once you do that project good and well, I'm sure then आगे तुम्हारे automatically contacts बनते जाएंगे. And not only for first client, you might end up 2 to 3 clients from this, because some or the other time these guys are going to pitch to you. Okay, create a document. You know, what are the services you're providing, what is your knowledge, and what is your vision. Create that, write that down and send it out to people. Send it out with your contact number and everything. Try and attend conferences jo ho rahe hai. Try and meet business groups and everything. Okay, in fact, some of you might not like this, or some of you might not prefer to do it. Okay, it might feel like not a job that you want to do, but go out and connect with जो brands है, जैसे architects है, go out and go to the real estate brands and talk to them that I have designs, I have ideas, can you give me a chance? 99.99% you are going to get rejections, but that rejections will help you how, you know, that going in, that experience of being there in their office is going to help you a lot. Okay, and you might never know, you might get lucky and somebody would appreciate that daring, because not everybody is going to do this. If you want to curb the competition and get ahead, do this, because not everybody is going to do this out there. And when you do that, some of the people might appreciate and then might give you a good chance in their, you know, maybe a small project, maybe just an idea, they will let you pitch an idea, but that will be a good chance for you. Okay, guys, if you have any doubt, anything you want to ask, it's now.
Okay. So, अगर कुछ सवाल होगा तो पूछ लो बाबा तुम लोगों को. Ritvik, I have some doubts that I think that these people might be having. So, how do you differentiate between creating a content and documenting it? Like, do you think how these two are connected? And do you think documenting is important, or like, I'll give an example. So, if I, for example, I create one artwork a week, all right, and I post it only one poster a week. And on the other hand, on the documenting side, what I do, I document the process. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. Then the first part, let's say for example, so I'm going to let's say I put a story. I'm going to Venus and I'm bought the canvas. Yes. Then these are my paints. This is where I'm doing. Okay, I'm bored. I'm this. And at the end of the day, I see this thing. So which one do you prefer? Posting the artwork only or posting the process?
See, I'll tell you, I prefer posting the process, okay, because it has a flow to it. When you put out your thought process, okay, जो भी बड़े लोग हैं इस इंडस्ट्री में and art work करने वाले बहुत मिलेंगे. There are so many artists. You yourself are artist. If you're going to search a hashtag art or artist or artist community of India or artist India community वगैरह, so you will see lot of artists sending out their work. Right? So what these big people or people who are actually going to give you chance, okay, they are going to consider is your thought process. Art करने वाले बहुत मिलेंगे. The thought process behind it, the messaging behind it, and how you think about it is very much important. Okay. Also, it creates an intrigue within your audience. If I like, let's say for example, right now Sanskriti, I saw your work, right, and I liked your work. It's good. Now, just seeing that work, okay, next time you're going to put another poster, I'm going to like it. I'll comment, oh, wow, great. Again, next time you're going to do, I'm going to like it. I'll comment, wow, this is good. How many times I'm going to do that? I know that you create a good art and I'm going to get bored of doing it. Right? I'm going to be getting bored of saying the same thing again and again. But when you create a documentation on it, when you document it and when you put out your thought process throughout it, it keeps me intrigued. Okay, if I know that your artworks comes on every Tuesday, Thursday or Friday, any day, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down on Thursday and I'm going to see, okay, wow, she had posted 2 days ago that she had posted a video that what she's thinking and what she's going to create next and what she's thinking on the lines of, what line she's thinking on. Then I'm going to come to your profile and actually see it. That's different. I'm more engaged with your brand now. That me liking your post is not helping you much. But me actually coming out down to your profile, liking it, sharing it. This is also increasing my level of brand recall. Right?
That's
This is more brand recall, and this is more I'm looking at it, and I'm actually going to share it somewhere. When somebody's actually asking me for artwork, I might think, okay, I know somebody who does a great job. Also, just sharing tomorrow how much content you think can create. So I assume Sanskriti, to create this, how many hours do you spend? If you want to go do it in one go, I think 4 to 5 hours. Or if you're really fast at it, 3 hours.
Is she there?
I don't know.
Yeah, she's there. She's there. Sanskriti,
Okay.
can you please come in?
4 to 5 hours. Yes, 4 to 5 hours to create one artwork, right? So if you have to create every day, that is too much time you have to dedicate to it. But let's say you have capacity right now to only create 3 artworks a week. Start putting process. What are you going to do? There are another benefit to it. You're not only helping yourself, you're helping another community, people who are other artists. Okay, you are helping them. They will also they will come and try to collaborate with you. The first part I said, connect, create, collaborate, and then co-create. That's the first step if you want. Collaborate and co-create. They will connect with you. So you are automatically, so तुम्हारे जो community building के efforts है वो कम हो गए हैं. अब वो लोग तुम्हें ज़्यादा they are also coming and connecting with you.
Right.
Okay. And all these people who are going to give you a chance tomorrow, okay, it's like you're running portfolio. It's like writing a diary, not only writing your artwork or showing your work, but your thought process and everything. It's your portfolio ready to showcase. Okay. Right. So there is a guy, I'll show you. Okay. Oy Ankit. He's a video editor. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm marketing somebody else over here.
Do you want me to pull his profile?
Yeah, you can pull up his profile.
Yes.
See how this social media and everything works that I'm talking right now, the content I like and connect with. Okay, I suggested Oy Ankit out of something over here. I really didn't need to, right? Okay, so this guy has Instagram followers just 783k. I 135k. I know this guy when he had 10 or 15 followers. Okay, that was 2 years back, 1.5 years back probably. Okay, and I connect with his content a lot of. Now, right now, there were 70 to 80 people talking on their stories and telling Instagram to give him a blue tick, give him a verified profile because his content is that good and people love it. Okay, he's that's a if you all notice, that's a baga tumhe about us baga, editor at TVF. Okay, he's a video editor at TVF, and guys, he sent his Instagram profile to TVF. He did not send a resume as such. In his resume, he just sent Instagram profile, and he got hired with that. Okay, that is the part, that is the benefit of documentation. Now he is just putting up content because he has that much of content available. Okay, he edits funny videos, he makes funny videos and everything. You can pull any video, he just takes some songs and he patches them with other dances.
Do you want to see one? Let's
yeah,
see.
play one. It's fun, everybody will like it. Volume. Okay, so you guys, if you want to have fun with this video account, it's great. Any to किसी भी account में जाए. Okay.
Maybe we'll go this one. Let's see how this goes.
Okay, me and my friends after pandemic is over. See the caption is written. Okay, now everybody wants to catch up with their friends, go out for partying. Okay, have coffee and whatnot. So all of this stuff me and my friends, what they're going to do first when the pandemic is over, nobody's going to go and meet their long distance relatives them that they have missed. They're actually going to connect, go and meet their friends first thing. The lockdown is over. Okay, so you guys would want to create such content. तुम्हारा भी artwork है. See, it put out like everybody जो भी है, तुम्हारे लोग जो भी content देख रहे हो अभी, it's all depends on how you connect it and how you share it. Okay, तुम्हारा documentation and process जो है, it's very important. So because when you put that out, people like that. People like what you're doing, how you're doing it, and you know, if you're afraid that somebody will copy your thought process, action, let them. No, they can copy the thought process, but they cannot copy the exact artwork. Artwork भी copy हो सकता है, but you know, the thought process है, उसका जो value add होता है, is something they are not gonna get. Right. Okay, and people love seeing efforts behind something great. Any more doubts?
Sanskriti, in your case, I think you if you can just share a time lapse video of things. You know, time lapse videos भी होते हैं ना?
Yeah,
like you are working on that. Another question I have is so one question that I might have at this stage is okay, so I'm not into architecture, I'm not even in college right now. Why should I create an art page, or how and why should I create an art page right now? क्योंकि मुझे तो भी 7-8 साल है मेरा business चालू करने में, तो how it will be helpful to me?
Okay, so first, if you guys have an art page, you're not into. Okay, it doesn't have to be an art page. Okay, any page that you want right now. Okay, that तुम college में नहीं हो, कुछ नहीं हो. First of all, as I said, तुम्हारे पास time है सब build करने के लिए. If we start a page, if we post that with a watermark, will it be beneficial? Let me just answer Pradnya first.
Yes.
Okay, if we start a page and if we post that watermark, do post your watermark. Okay, that's not a problem. Okay, as long as it does not disturb your creative, do post it. That there is no benefit or anything to that. Okay, the why people put watermark is to make sure that people don't copy it. Okay, I am of other things. I think otherwise. Okay, are you creating an art that is being sold in lakhs right now, or in crores, or a huge amount, or thousands, 50,000, 70,000 के artwork क्या है क्या आपके पास? नहीं, if you have that much, do use your watermark. It's very important. In fact, your brand logo use karo usme. Your watermark will be like your brand logo. Like people should know it's your work. Like artists use their signatures, right? So we use karo. But if you do not have that, okay, if you have a followers like tum agar 100, 200, 300, 400 rupees. This answer is actually for both the questions. Okay, 200, 300, 400 रुपए में अगर अपना artwork बेच रहे हो, and if you're thinking कि eventually तो आप उसका price बढ़ाओगे, तो वो होने नहीं वाला है. Because आप अपने art को उस level पे value कर रहे हो, तो सामने वाला कभी कर ही नहीं पाएगा उससे ज़्यादा value. Okay, so instead अभी आपके लिए प्रज्ञा, it's better that if you are not selling it in like thousands and something, it's better for you right now to share your don't use watermark and let it get shared as people want. लोग share तो आपके account से ही करेंगे. Okay, so since people are sharing it from your account, let it go, let it reach out to people. Somehow it's gonna go and come back and bounce to your profile, some or the other way. Even if somebody downloads it and somebody shares it, कितने लोग होंगे ऐसे जो fake करेंगे? And ऐसे कितना content वो create कर पाएंगे? Eventually you will create an audience that people will come and ask, okay, this is created by these guys, and this is not your work. Your followers will become your fans eventually. So let your artwork get shared. Don't focus on having watermark. ये मेरा art है. Art is not a private thing. Particularly when you're looking to sell it, it's not something you want to keep it private. You want it to reach out to people. So share that, and that's what social media is here for. Okay.
We have a question from Swaraj.
Yes. How to reach to the unknown people if you have low followers? Okay. So
wait.
low followers है आपके पास, ठीक है? That's not a problem. First of all, आप जो art या जो भी content create कर रहे हो, okay, are you reaching out to those people via social media, digital? What is your platform? Where is your audience available? ये पहले देखो. Okay, let's say आपका जो artwork है, let's say one of you creates poems, okay, and Marathi poems and all, and not many young students or any people in your category right now at your age, our friends are interested into it, but maybe at higher age they are interested into that. So are they available on Facebook, Instagram? कौन से इस पे है वो check करो, ठीक है? Start putting out your content, start sharing your content. Okay, use hashtags. Okay, Instagram post allows you to use 30 hashtags. Make a list of 30 hashtags that you can use. Do not use all 30 hashtags in all the posts. Do not use all 30 same hashtags in your post. Let's say you create a painting. Okay, let's say you create a painting that has 30 good painting which is about monsoons. Okay, then your hashtags that you are going to use are about art, painting, and monsoons. Create a combination of that and put 30 hashtags over that. Okay, if you are going to use a hashtags that are if you are going to use a hashtag that are not related to that particular, then Instagram will not allow your account to reach out to particular hashtags. So तुम्हारा जो भी content है उससे related hashtags create करो. Okay, so वो करो. जो followers है तुम्हारे, जो genuinely follow करते, like करते, comment करते हैं, okay, reply all the comments. Make sure you reply all the comments. Okay, consistency रखो उसमें. If you have make 3 artworks or 3 posts a week, make sure you put out 3 posts a week. वो consistency रखो. Do not कि आज मैंने इस वीक में 5 किए, 5 डाले, अगले में से 1 ही किया. Don't do that. Keep your consistency with that. Your next part comes is तुम hashtag use कर रहे हो, आप consistency भी रख रहे हो. जो भी तुम्हारे genuinely comment करते हैं, जो तुम्हारे friends है, okay, genuinely ask them that okay, can you please share my artwork so I can reach out to more people. It's okay, some of them will say no, some of them will say yes. Okay, in my recent experience, I did this for an account I'm handling, which is purely for marketing. Okay, campaign critic करके एक account है, which is purely for marketing. I recently started it during the lockdown, and I have only 174 followers. Week back, I had less than 100 followers. Okay, I asked my friends who are into marketing field and who are interested into fields, जो लोग हैं, I asked them, can you please share that account on your stories, telling that if you like the content, please share it. Okay, I gained 74 followers in just it was shared by I guess 20 people, and I gained 74 followers in just 2 days, 2 to 3 days, and I'm still getting followers because of that. Because it's a new account. I of course your account is not going to go for from 1 to 10,000 in just 1 or 2 days, and if that is happening, there are more chances that it will go viral for wrong reasons than right reasons. And trust me, you do not want to go viral for wrong reasons. So don't focus on going viral or having 10,000 followers. Focus on having right followers. Have 1,000 followers who like your content, then having 10,000 followers who do not like your content.
Sanskriti has a question, I guess.
Yes. If we have our own art page, following people or artists is good art or bad idea. Like, how can following artists help and turn out to be in our favor rather than waiting for people to follow you? Okay. Yes, it's a good idea to follow the other artists. Okay. One, you get to learn from their work. Second, you get to know that, okay, what they are doing on social media, which is helping them. Okay.
Right.
Okay. Honestly, if you're stalking somebody for a business or beneficial to learn and growth perspective, I'm very careful and specific here. Stalking for learning purpose, okay, then it's okay to do that. Otherwise it's wrong. But if you're stalking them, okay, how many followers they have today, what kind of the content they did put in last week, 1 week, what is their follower strength right now, what are the likes they have got in their last post, what are the hashtags they are using. Okay, this is what you want to follow them and learn from them. Right. Secondly, you can message them, you can and ask them how you are doing it, what are the tools that you are using. Once you start commenting and messaging, they are going to come to your profile and they are going to talk to you, right? They are going to reply you, they are going to answer you, they are going to remember you sometime. They might like your content, they might follow you back. Okay, don't do the follow and follower game. कि आज 10 लोगों को follow किया, 10 लोगों ने follow किया, मैंने वापस उनको unfollow किया. Yeah. Don't do that. Okay, so a lot of people use this technique that also helps to showcase the following content, but some other point that person is going to go. And it's not a race about having 10,000 followers. Okay, it's okay to have 10,000 followers and 10,000 following, but if those 10,000 followers and following you're engaging with all of them, then that's great.
Yeah, that's true.
It's not my brands. Lot of brands do not follow people. I'll tell you why brands have this low following and more followers. Because let's say if somebody they followed a random person, okay, and that they are following and liking the posts of a random person or anything, and कल जाके वो बंदे ने कुछ illegal चीज की या गलती की है, और that comes in newspaper, okay, media is gonna work, try to make issues out of it. So, and somebody finds out that Amul India follows a guy who turns out to was found out to be, who did some illegal activity. So that's going to hamper brand image of Amul.
Yeah.
That's why they do not follow, the brands try not to follow the random people. Particularly these big brands, they follow only their founders, CEOs and everything. कभी कभी तो वो भी नहीं करते.
Correct. Yeah.
Right, like Amul India, zero following. They do not want to risk it. If Amul India ka CEO goes out and says one wrong word and people understand it differently, okay, so it's going to hamper that personality plus that brand. They can change the CEO, but they cannot change the brand, right? The brand pura ye khatam nahi kar sakte. Okay, this is why they do not have, but otherwise don't try to have that mujhe 10 follow karne and mujhe 10,000 followers rakhne. Don't do that. Instead keep जितने लोगों से आपको फॉलो करना है, जितने लोगों से आपको सीखना है, उनको फॉलो करो. जो लोग आपको फॉलो कर रहे हैं उनको करने दो, that's fine. But if somebody is helping you to somebody you can connect with and get followers, and you can connect with them, you can create content with them, or they can ask to create content with them, connect with them. It's okay to follow even if that person doesn't follow you back. Be a genuine follower than just being there. Okay,
we have one more question.
Gauri. Yeah. How can we keep our account safe from foreign hackers and all? A public account, because one of my art page was hacked and some wrong information was spread. So how can we know our followers are true and not? Okay. So since you keep a business account and you keep it open, okay, you want to reach out to more people, you'll have to keep it open. Okay, जो maximum चीजें तुम कर सकते हो कि people who only follow you and उसको तुम कुछ settings होती है, privacy settings, which will allow you कि जिसमें people who follow you can only comment on it, or people who you follow only can comment on, share you message and everything. Okay, honestly there are thousands of ways these hackers can find out. Okay, you might feel that okay, then it is not safe. See, this does not keep happening all the time. Sometimes it happens with very few people. That happens. You need to ignore it and move on. It might be any kind of content they might have had. You might have to delete account or change your information or change your credentials. One thing you can follow, which also Instagram guidelines and any social media guidelines say, change password every 2 months. Okay. Every 2 months, keep changing the password. So your account is very much safe. And people are trying to hack your account. So you need to keep, yeah, you deleted your account. Okay, that's great that you deleted your account. It's better. But then you must have lost all the followers and everything, right? So when you create your new account, okay, when you create your new account, make sure that you change your passwords. You keep a high, strong password. Okay, then do not keep just any name or something 123 @ that's it. Don't do it. Those are very common techniques. Keep a difficult password. Okay, one thing. Keep changing it again and again. Keep general guidelines you'll have to follow. If anybody's trying to do any false message or any false activity you see on Instagram, okay, report. Okay, for example, तुम्हारा ही अकाउंट नहीं, किसी और फ्रेंड का अकाउंट हो, कोई गलत इन्फॉर्मेशन, किसी का हैक हो गया हो, या किसी ने किसी के नाम से फेक अकाउंट बनाया हो, be a genuine Instagrammer, be a good Instagrammer, go and report that account. Okay, also inform Instagram account. Other than deleting, you have one more option: report Instagram from that account. And there are support Instagram where you can say that okay, this account was hacked. So Instagram starts improving. जैसे उनको अगर इंस्टाग्राम को रियलाइज होता है कि सम फ्रॉम साउथ अफ्रीकन कंट्री हो या नाइजीरिया सम फॉरेन कंट्री हो, वियतनामीज हो, लाइक सम कंट्री जहाँ से भी लोग आ रहे हैं, इंडियन हो, जिस लोकेलिटी से ज्यादा हैकर्स आ रहे हैं उस लोकेलिटी में दे ट्राई टू पुट आउट सम एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स टू इम्प्रूव देयर सिक्योरिटी. There is no one final solution to that. Okay, there is only precautions that you can take. Okay, and it does not mean that your account or details are not safe. Okay, you need to keep updating and changing yourself, adapting to that. Okay, once your account gets, if your account gets, okay, if your account gets, you know, any hacking or anything, you change your password and everything, delete everything, the false content they might have uploaded, and once you're done with that, all of that, just go and inform Instagram about it. Okay, inform your put out a genuine post and tell people that you can, you can tell people that you can uh, change your, that the account was hacked, and you can please ignore anything that was put up, and please spread that the account was hacked, and now this is the real account that you need to follow.
Okay. All right. If we have any last questions, we need to wrap up the session now. No? Okay. All right. So, Ritvik, is there anything you would like to share other than?
No, I think great. It was fun, guys, talking to you. If you have any doubts or anything you need my help with, I am sending out my account to over here, my handle to over here. Okay. I don't know. I can't. Okay. I think it just went to.
Send, yeah.
Yeah. Everybody can see this. This is my handle. If you have any doubt, Ajinkya is there. You can connect to me through Ajinkya, or you can connect to me directly on this handle. Okay. So, guys, best of luck to all of you. Okay. And don't worry, it's gonna just be practice, be real, and do it. You're gonna get through it.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure. Thank you, Ritvik.
Anytime. Thanks for having me here.
Yes. Yes. If you have any more doubts for Ritvik, you always know where to connect with him. On Instagram. If you want his number, you can always contact me about this. So I'll wrap up this session. I think it is what he wanted to say in short is because at the end of the day, you are going to have your business, 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line. So why not prepare for it right now? If you like photography, start a photography page. If you like painting, if you like sketching, just start it. Find your audience, build your community, because the first client that is gonna come up is coming. I most probably it's gonna come from that community. And if I follow somebody from 0 followers or 1 follower or 2 follower, and then I grow to and I get to see when he has 10,000 followers, so I मेरा भी उसमें बहुत trust factor बढ़ जाता है, and I might approach him कि भाई मेरा ये काम है कर दो. And it's okay if you start with photography and then you end with sketching, and then you again come back to photography, then you go back. It's okay. I like people like to see the journey. People like to see the change. It's all about stories. हमने Pathfinder बैच में भी discuss किया था कि it's all about story. It's how well you tell your story. So create your accounts. Ask people to follow you. We generally do. If you have a art account and if you ask your friends to share it and your story, you will get followers. And remember one thing, everybody starts with 0 followers. Okay, every art page, the most liked followed person also somewhere down the line started with 0 followers. So don't get mixed up कि मुझे इतने followers हैं, इतने followers नहीं हैं. Don't do the follow unfollow game. Nobody gets anything to that. Please trust me on that. Or yeah, so this is where we'll stop the session today. Thank you, Ritvik, very much. Thank you, all of you, for coming.
It was great.
It was a great interaction with Ritvik also. You know how to connect with Ritvik now. He has shared his profile. We also have another session at 5 p.m. with Akanksha Balpande, who is a JJ and SEPT pass out. I highly I'll suggest you कि आप वो भी करो. So we'll also get a lot of from that journey. And I'll bid you goodbye about now. If you have any queries, you can connect with Ritvik directly. Okay. Chalo. Thank you very much. I'll see you at 5 p.m. Okay.
Bye,
Chalo.
guys.
Thank you, Ritvik. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
I'll
you.
see you at 5 p.m. Bye bye.